to 11 to 30 and set point we don't have problems. We have control, but when we put the setup in el set point to 50, we lose the control. So we put the setup in 50. We check the water, the level. We have the water, we have the new filter. Okay, so when we put the set point to 50, look this. This is not our master. We can hear the bumps, and that worked perfect. We have okay, that worked, but when we change to 55, you see we lose the control, and this is go to 90%, so we can control to 55%. We have this problem, so we can get 55 to 70, so we don't know what happened. You see it's going to the 90%, and right here put 0, but in the master we go to the 90s. So I don't know what happened. You can help me to see how control to the 50 to 70.